Hello children, today we are going to learn chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Entrepreneurial Skills. So let's start. In this chapter, you are going to learn about meaning of entrepreneur and characteristic of successful entrepreneur and so on. Let's see what is meant by entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who organizes and manages a business undertaking assuming the risk for the sake of profit, as well as he brings a new ideas to start a business. Here the term new idea is very important because a business person cannot be called entrepreneur unless he or she introduces a new ideas to the businesses. This kind of people always sees a new opportunities and creates a business to exploit it. They are open-minded, they are determined, they are creative. Next, entrepreneurship in society. In that, let's see what is the importance of entrepreneurship in society. Entrepreneur and society are elemental for each other. They cannot work, grow, progress and even survive without each other. Here, entrepreneurs function, it is backbone for the society, same as the society plays a fundamental role in the journey of an entrepreneur. Before we discuss the importance of entrepreneurship in society, let's have a brief explanation of both. How entrepreneurship is important. In our daily life, we consume hundreds of commodities to fulfill different requirements, starting from the bread for breakfast to the glass for milk at bedtime. A large number of products are used by us without even knowing that someone is working quite hard to provide us with all these basic and essentials. Then who is an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is someone who conceives an ideas, creates a path to success and tries to dominate the market. By society, we mean a huge number of individuals living together in the same geographical or social territory. In general meaning, society is we all interacting with each other. Entrepreneurs run their business in a market. The market has people who buy products and services, people who sell them also. When people are buying and selling from each other, it is helpful for everyone because everyone involved makes money. This is how entrepreneurs help in growing the area and society they live in. Now let's see what are the qualities entrepreneurs have. They are creative and think differently about business ideas. They take responsibility for their actions. They take decisions after thinking about them. They work hard. They do not give up when they face a difficulty. Also, they keep trying new ideas in their business. They are confident, they believe in themselves and their abilities. Entrepreneurs do some activities. These activities we called functions. And he possesses some functions in that innovation, risk taking, building of organization, so on. Serial entrepreneur enjoys getting business started. Solopreneur, social, lifestyle, these all are the some types of entrepreneurship. Then what are the role and importance of entrepreneurship? Person who have good entrepreneurial characteristic must go for it because our country and our people who are unemployed, they can benefit from this opportunity. Here are some important role of an entrepreneur. Self-employment, capital formation, employment generation, innovation, wealth creation and sharing, community development, export, standard of living, GDP and per capita income, balanced regional development, creates job. These all are the some important role of an entrepreneur. Let's see myths about entrepreneurship. We hear the stories about entrepreneurs, how great the life is, and it can be pretty great, but it's not always sunshine and rainbows. In fact, there are myths about entrepreneurship that makes it seems more glamorous than it really is. Before you decide jump in and give over everything to start a business, It's a good idea to know what you are getting into. Myth 1. The money will come if you do what you love. One of the biggest myths about entrepreneurship is that the money comes when you do what you love. The fact that you love your business and what you do is a big deal. Myth 2. You are on your own. Often we see entrepreneurs as these figures that stand out on their own, doing amazing things and running the shows almost like a force of nature. The truth, though, is that entrepreneurs have people around them who help them. They might even have mentors who help them move forward. You need a good network and good support if you expect to succeed as an entrepreneur. Myth 3. A good idea is all you need for success. With the right idea, you will be successful. Unfortunately, that's just not true. A concentrated effort is needed if you want your startup to last. Myth 4. Expertise is required to be a good entrepreneur. Many people think that you need to be an expert in some area before you can be a successful entrepreneur. The good news is that that's not true. If you have a passion and a plan, you can learn some things as you go. Myth 5. You need to find investors. We often think investors are needed to be successful in an startup ventures. That's just not true. You can be successful with your own money and time. For that, the most important thing is your determination. Myth 6. As an entrepreneur, you have total freedom. Of all the myths about entrepreneurship, this is the most seductive. How would it feel to be your own boss? Pretty great, right? The reality is that at first a startup will take over your life. You will be working more hours than you ever did at your job. You might be on call at all hours. Once you get the things going, you can find flexibility. But at first, you have to be prepared to work and realize that you are not always doing what you want all the time. Next, how entrepreneurship is an career option. A career is a line of work that a person takes for life. Entrepreneurship consists of vast career options depending on the passion and field of interest of the entrepreneurs. They saying when you love what you do, it's as you are not working is very much applicable to entrepreneurs who consider managing their business as enjoyment rather than working exhaustively. And what are the advantages of entrepreneurship as career? Independence. As an entrepreneur, you can be your own boss. Ambition fulfillment, wealth creation, status, excitement, and freedom. Disadvantages of entrepreneurship as career: risk, uncertain income, hard work. The life of an entrepreneur is not easy. He has to work very hard to make the new business successful. Problem of finance, incomplete staff. These all are the some disadvantages of entrepreneurship as career.